Hey, Chrissy Womble here. I am jumping on to talk to you about this week's product in our Clean Living Simplified Guide to a Toxin-Free Living Life, where we are economically and baby stepping you through the process of slowly replacing the toxic chemicals and products in your home with things that are better for you and giving you tips and tricks along the way. So this is month 7, week 2, and just as a review, we are getting all of our information from A Doctor's Guide to Essential Rewards by Dr. Oliver Wanker, and he is an MD. He has just a lot of great information in this book, and so we're kind of walking you through it. So this month we have been talking about products that get your body moving, things that are good for exercise, not only to prepare you to exercise, but also to help in the recovery process after exercise. So today's product is Thieves cough drops. And you might be like I was when I saw that and think, gosh, that's interesting. Why do we have cough drops in this month's products that we're talking about? And it was very interesting what Dr. Wanker talked about with these cough drops. So the cough drops came out about a couple years ago. We used to have a Thieves throat lozenge, and I will be honest with you, it was not one of my favorite things. It just, I don't know, it wasn't a favorite taste of mine, but the cough drops I absolutely love. So they came out with these. They are an OTC product, meaning that they can actually say it relieves coughs. You can talk about how it is designed specifically for that, and they actually promote it and market it as a triple soothing product because it soothes sore throats, it relieves coughs, and it cools nasal passages. So let me tell you just a little bit about the cough drop, and then I will explain why it is in this month's products where we're getting our bodies moving. So one of the things that's important to note about these cough drops is that it is free of sugar, dyes, artificial flavors, or preservatives. And that's very important because a lot of times, I know in the past when I've had a cough and I have taken a cough drop, it is just loaded with sugar, and my teeth would have like a film on them when I was sucking on the cough drop. That plus the fact that no telling what it's doing to your teeth with all that sugar, and then it wouldn't last very long, and it really didn't do the trick. The only time it was working was when I was sucking on the cough drop. I can tell you that when I use these cough drops, they're amazing. They last a very long time. And also, once you're done with it, when you're done sucking the cough drop, you still are feeling the effects of the cough drop. So let me tell you a little bit about it. The cough drops are made with naturally derived ingredients, including menthol, cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus, lemon, peppermint, and rosemary essential oils. Other ingredients are stevia leaf extract, so that's what they use to give it the taste that you would normally get from sugar. So that's a natural way to do it, so it's not bad for you. They're easy to take anywhere, and especially if you need relief. So I had these cough drops, that's the Thieves cough drops. I had these in my purse just whenever I go anywhere. And back a couple of years ago, my son had come home from school and he had a cough, and he was leading worship at our church. And so he came up and he asked, "Mom, do you have a cough drop?" And I don't know about you, but my kids are very quick to just roll their eyes whenever I mention essential oils or any natural products. And so I just handed him this cough drop. It's clear, doesn't say what it is, gave it to him. So he used it. Later on, he asked for another one. I gave him another one. And then probably about 3 or 4 days later, I told him that there were some more up in the cabinet in a little container, and he got them, and he would use them when he needed them. And he said, "Mom, where did you get these cough drops? These things are amazing." I was like, well, they're Thieves cough drops. So I always make sure that I have a bag of these on hand in the house because everybody in our family loves them. They use them a lot. Now, why in the world would we be using these on a month where we're talking about moving our bodies? So Dr. Wanker in his book has a whole regimen of what he does before and after he exercises. And one of the things he does is he pops a Thieves cough drop in his mouth in order to open up the airflow in his nasal passages and also in his lungs. So let me just read to you how he describes it. He said the effect happens because menthol directly stimulates cold receptors, modulating the cool sensation, resulting in a subjective feeling of clear and wide nose and airway. Menthol also can improve athletic performance, mainly through its core temperature lowering properties. Obviously, make sure before you work out that your cough drop is dissolved. So anyway, so I thought that was a neat little tip that he gave, that you can use those not only for when you have a cough or a sore throat, but also if you're about to exercise. They're a great way to improve that athletic performance. There are 30 cough drops in a bag, and the cost is $20.50 wholesale, and that's the same PV value. That basically comes out to about 68 cents a cough drop. So that might seem pricey, but I will tell you it is worth the money because they work, and because they last a long time, and because you have the effects long after they are gone. The cough drop has dissolved. So anyway, I hope you learned a lot today, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.